let's do this. Nearly there, nearly there.
Are you excited, Mitch?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
How about you, Callum?
Yeah. I'm sure if I hate
It will.
What about you, Stewie?
I'm content.
You're content.
I'm excited for Callum if he could actually farm properly, but
I'm
you know,
trying.
that's where I'm at.
I was trying to
Yeah.
So far we've gone from Adelaide right over to SVG. SVG right there. And we're about to embark on our trip all the way over to Vancouver, which is about between the O and the A in the middle of the screen. So, there. So far so good. Well, we've arrived in Nadi Airport without too much of a drama, waiting for our next flight to Vancouver. And we had a brief walk outside from the airplane. It was very nice. So it's about 9 o'clock at night at the moment, and we're now waiting for our flight.